Okay, the phone's starting here now again. See if I see the time and location here. Okay, it still says I'm in Hennepin County. That's great. We know I'm not in Hennepin County. I'm in New Ulm, Minnesota. Oh, right there it says, so maybe I don't know. This location, little beacon right here says where I am is correct. Alright, that's well good. Maybe it just didn't reload from the other time when I asked it, when for some reason this camera shut off for a split second. Oh my god, that is not a deer poop. Jesus Christ, man. Now, I want to know how big this creature is that's out here. I already knew it was big, but that's huge poop. Now, take a look here, since we're here, at the daylight of the tree. And look at this. This is like a little something. At the end of the day, that's unique sticks fashioned there like that. And anyway, if you're wondering, it is hot out. I ain't got my hoodie on, but I do got a mask on. I'm not gonna let it mimic my face, if that is a possibility that it can do. And anyway, this is all done by a bean. I can't prove that, but I believe it's true, because how is it all twisted around that little nub of that tree right there? I want to know. If you have an opinion, let the comment fly. And it's all twisted around this tree. But anyway, I'm here to gift. Got some bread. I'm gonna split it with them and the beast that's down at Flandry State Park. Now, not sure what it is out here, but I believe there's something definitely out of down here, especially with that big poop like how it was. And anyway, yeah, it got rather hot quick. Wasn't making its mind up, the weather around the state of Minnesota, but now it did. It decided to become hot, real hot. Just when I broke my boots in too. They're ready for street stepping. Rather not the best way to go up, since they like running down this way, I found out. But go this way anyway. That's not deer poop. They're up here. That is a huge deer. See if I can get him to move. Take a couple steps. Huge rabbit too. I'm waving with my other hand. my cruddiest shirt, but it's still designer shirt, Nike. And anyway, this will be the shirt that I wear a lot, so it's good to let them see me bring them the gift of bread. Spirit beings, or if they're actually deer. I don't know if they're skinwalkers that are pretending to be a deer. Okay. Did it do? Stuff it all in there like that. So hopefully it doesn't fly away. The deer said it'll be alright like that. They're there, that's for sure. They're still there. I want them to see me doing it. There you go. The deer right here, deer people. I'm waving to them again right now. Alright, and then I'm out of here. Tie the bread up. A couple pieces in there, give them to the creature down at Flandreau. Yeah, I don't know what's going to come first. Are the deer going to eat all that bread? Are they skinwalkers? They going to change into something else? Not sure what. Taking a few steps towards me. Like they're not scared of me. So that's cool, I guess. Now I'm waving. Now I'm leaving. Up there's the lid of the can. Or of the, hey look it, they did that too. That's how it took it off. Bit right there and ripped it off of there. And the side too. That's kind of evidence of smarts, basically. Intelligence. How to open the lid. So they opened that lid and let the cereal just fall into the ground, I guess. Because remember that plastic container was once a water jug from, that is a huge piece of poop. That was once a water jug from Taco Bell. And anyway, now, evidence now. Keep my mask on until I get all the way out of the woods. It's my idea. Make sure you don't get copied by a skinwalker. Always gotta watch out for widowmakers too. Don't want something falling on your head. Anyway, I'm gonna pause it until I get to the state park. Take a look one more time at the barbed wire tree that I believe is, I mean, it can't be proved, but imagine a spirit that has powers or an actual being that did all this. You got to be very tall I'm 5'6" with a pair of shoes on. You got to be very tall to string that all the way up right there. And strong to twist it around that piece of branch like that again and again. Just twist it around there at least 5 times. This ain't no joke. So you can touch it when it's not poke. Here's poke. Right here, you can just touch it. It don't matter right there. but you don't want to touch it at the pokey part. And anyway though, barbed wire around this tree, something I've never seen before, rarity to see on camera. I still think a bean did that, meaning a bipedal humanoid creature or a bean. Look at, there's that poop again. That is not deer poop. I don't care what anyone says. That is huge. Now, that's it for now. Get to the state park. Those guys are up there fixing whatever. Someone broke into that. Don't know when, but this is on film when I was up there snowboarding. Someone stole a statue. They're up there fixing that stuff. I was wondering what was going on, because that guy who was pulling that cart down with that lawnmower, he must have all his tools in there. And anyway, first I thought he was a spy. Guess he's not. But at the end of the day, normally I'm right when it comes to my conclusions on people. That's all I have to say. Now I'm gonna go up right here, walk around then. Now I'm gonna film the sign. That's another reason why I walked back up here. Okay, right here. It says please take one. Not gonna take one, but we're gonna use it for the address. Now, you wanna say that I'm somewhere else in a different fucking city? Suck shit. And pardon my French for all those people that are, oh, how dare you start cursing? Here. There you go. You have to pause the video on these signs. Okay. I am GappaMagix. Now I'm leaving to go into the state park.